when I had my stroke, everything just changed. My body didn't move like it used to. The world didn't just feel the same. I had to relearn how to live, not just not once but every single day. And for years I thought my life had been broken beyond repair, and I was wrong. I wasn't at the end. I was at the start of my rebuild, and hemiplegia takes away your comfort, your certainty and your rhythm in your hand and leg and face even, and it exposes you and it shows you who you are. Everything is just hard, and every morning is a test. Do you give up because it's unfair, or do you just rise because you refuse to let it define you? And I decided to rebuild, and no matter how long it takes, no matter how many times I fail, I will get there. And I stopped asking why me and start asking what now, and that was the shift. I realised nobody's coming to save me, and the progress is basically on me. Every rep in physio, every stretch, every walk down the street is layering bricks, and it's not all about perfection, it's all about momentum. And as long as you move forward 1% every day, you are winning. Just start small, but start daily. Don't wait for motivation. Use momentum one step at a time, and stretch once, one action each morning, and you will get there. And track your wins. Write down every small victory, every movement, every good day. It just builds belief that you can do it. And surround yourself with reminders of strength, quotes and people who you aspire to be, and a routine that keeps you going. Ask yourself, did I show up today? If the answer is yes, you've already won. If not, just tweak how you can actually do it, and be patient, because rebuilding your body takes time, and patience creates power. Hemiplegia didn't stop me, it just revealed who I am, and it showed me the strength isn't about just moving fast, it's all about refusing to stop. And every day I rebuild, every day I get closer to the life that I want to be. And once that is your mind, you've already won. And maybe you're watching this and thinking, is my journey over? But it's not, it's just starting. That switch to what can I do now, it really just defines you. And just listen, it's just not over, it's just the beginning. Just have that mental switch where it's just like, what can I do now? But if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.